Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Traverse, the sleek and stylish midsize SUV that's loaded with creature comforts, smart cargo solutions, advanced safety features, and the capability to handle any adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, premium sound system. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.